Hi, I'm Gary.
I'm Joel.
I'm Wen Kang, and our cameraman.
Hi, I'm Jawan.
So today we are departing to Vitros, Penang for our industrial visit.
Hi, I'm Wen Kang. I'm going to explain about the objective of this assignment and why we choose Vitros.
First, we want to step into an industry to have a clearer picture of how a business operation works. And then, we want to understand and introduce a company. And third, we want to relate how an industry helps to contribute to the Malaysian economy. Last but not least, we want to understand the economic challenge faced by an industry. Vitros is the second largest technology public company in Malaysia. Vitros as a private sector works hand in hand alongside with government bodies as well. Vitros is in line with the national development plans as well as is along the line of Industrial 4.0. We had an industrial visit and training in Vitros coincidentally with our assignment.
So hi everyone. So we are here today, Miss Ide. She's the Senior Executive of the Human Development Department of Vitros. So hi Miss Ide.
Hi.
So can you explain to us a little bit about the background of Vitros?
Okay. Vitros is actually we established in the year 2000 and we are Malaysian homegrown technology companies. Okay. For information, we are the second largest technology company in Malaysia. Okay, followed by this industry. Okay, Vitros is actually founded by Mr. Joe together with his co-founder Steven Xiaokong. Both of them is actually from local graduates, USM, and with the background of E&E engineering as well as computer science. Okay, so what is the products that we are producing? We are a one-stop solutions provider for machine vision inspection equipment with a wide range which covering from back-end semiconductors, PCBA SMT line, final assembly and inspections, and all of these are integrated with Industrial 4.0 smart manufacturing solutions. But not forget, we do have another subsidiaries divisions is focusing on system on chips and other system which we consider as an electronic communication system.
So Miss Ide, so based on my studies, the headquarters of Vitros is actually located in Batu Kawan, Penang, Malaysia. So may I ask if there is any branch of Vitros maybe in Malaysia or even overseas?
Yes, Batu Kawan is our HQ. We do have a vision lab in Sriwijaya. Definitely, we have another two sites, R&D sites is in US. Talk about Vitros, actually we do have a global presence. For your information, the products that Vitros will be producing for Malaysia, we only covered the markets is about 25%, and the rest 75% actually be exported our product overseas or worldwide, which we exported our machines to US, to Europe, to China, Taiwan, etc. Okay, we did our R&D activities locally from Penang or even Cyberjaya, as well as we assembly our machines from Penang, as well as we sell our machines from Penang as well.
Hi, I'm Jawan, and I'll be explaining the products of VTrucks. VTruck delivers a complete range of machine vision inspection solutions from back-end semiconductor, PCBA SMT, final assembly inspection, integrated with Industry 4.0 smart solutions and system-on-chip embedded electronic solutions. And these are actually integrated in many fields such as aerospace, computing, medical and healthcare, telecommunications, mobile devices, and automotive. The complete range of inspection systems from VTrucks include back-end semiconductor, PCBA SMT, small form factor of mechanical assembly, electronic communication system, and Industry 4.0 smart solutions. VTrucks design and manufacture vision inspection system and handler for back-end semiconductor industry. The vision inspection systems of VTrucks are designed for 6-sided inspection on a wide range of IC packages. Some of the back-end semiconductor vision solutions of VTrucks include the post-seal vision handler, which is designed for tape seal and IC packages inspection after the tape sealing process, and also the wafer vision handler, which is designed for wafer surface defects inspection and measurement. The tray-to-tray vision handler is a high-speed, high-accuracy and one-stop tray-to-tray inspection for advanced IC packages, while the tray-to-tape and reel vision handler is a high-speed, high-accuracy and one-stop tray-to-tape and reel inspection for advanced IC package. Secondly, VTrucks design and manufacture inline solder paste inspection, optical inspection and X-ray inspection system for the PCBA SMT industry. The PCBA SMT vision solutions include the advanced 3D X-ray inspection, which is designed for various sizes of PCB assemblies to increase production efficiency and cost savings for EMS, OEM, ODM, and etc. The advanced 3D optical inspection is designed for various sizes of PCB assemblies to increase production efficiency and cost savings for electronic manufacturing services, communication industry, and etc. The advanced 3D solder paste inspection is designed for solder paste inspection to increase high throughput productivity in SMT production line.
Hi, I'm Joel. I'll be explaining a bit on the contribution of VTrucks to Malaysian economy and a little bit on their financial statements.
VTrucks is a world-leading technology company that has a significant contribution to the Malaysian economy as one of the biggest industry in technology sector. Alone in 2018, VTrucks had generated approximately 395 million ringgit of revenue, a growth in sales by 20% from the previous year. The net profit after tax of VTrucks has been steadily growing, and the year 2018 can be said to be their peak performance since its establishment at around 105 million ringgit, an upturn of 27.1% compared to its profit in the previous year. Viewing VTrucks' research and development expenditure and revenue, they have invested 180 million ringgit over the 10 years and had made 13.5% of revenue annually. Besides, as a part of the digital sector, it is estimated that this sector made up around 20% of GDP in Malaysia. In terms of global presence, VTrucks have also expanded their worldwide customer base, where they have set up research and development sites and also sales and marketing sites in 33 countries around the globe. Their customer base consists of 25% local sales and 75% overseas customers, where they export most of their goods and services to more than 24 countries around the world that mainly cover China, Taiwan, United States, Mexico, and more. These performances show their results when VTrucks is presented with Matrade Export Award 2018 for mid-tier company category. This award is specially presented to recognize the contribution by the Malaysian exporters to the nation's export industry. VTrucks also won the highest returns to shareholder award in the H Billion Ringgit Club 2018 with recognition of its highest returns to shareholders over the 3 years in the technology sector. Today, Vitrox has more than 800 contributors, which include around 590 employees, and they are continuing in expanding their company by recruiting engineers and management team as well as interns for university students. Their new Vitrox Campus 2.0 serves as their main operation site today, and besides that it is an industrial factory, there are also many facilities in the campus that integrated their second home concept for employees to work in a comfortable while competent environment.
Hi, I'm Angel. So now I'll talk about the role of the industry in stimulating growth, the process of production and stakeholders, and about Malaysian economy, what will happen if this industry is non-existent.
For the role of industry in stimulating growth, Vitrox creates high value-added knowledge jobs in Malaysia, which has helped to drive high-income economic growth. Besides, Vitrox established a Center of Excellence back in 2014 to provide technical coaching and some incubation services to those SME and also students. Vitrox also provides some consultation to technopreneurs who would like to start up their business in the field of this machine vision. Vitrox had been stimulating growth not only in the economy sector but also in the field of science and technology. For the process of production and stakeholders, Vitrox products cover about 25% of Malaysia market. The rest, 75%, is transported worldwide such as US, Europe, China, Taiwan, and etc. Vitrox provides a complete range of machine vision inspection solution to back-end semiconductor industry, PCBA SMT industry, mechanical assembly industry, system automation and control industry, and industrial 4.0 smart solution. So now we'll look into what will happen if this industry is non-existent to Malaysian economy. Vitrox is the second largest technology company in Malaysia, and they act as a one-stop solutions provider for machine vision inspection equipment. They are a public listed company in Bursa Malaysia under technology sector with a capitalization of RM3 billion as per 15 January 2018. If the industry is non-existent, the export products of Malaysia will reduce. The job opportunities in Malaysia is also believed to decrease if this industry does not exist. Since Vitrox is a local-based company, if this company is not established, our other local technology companies will have to use higher price to import the products from other developing countries.
Hi, I'm Gary. Right now I'm going to talk about how Vitrox industry related to government development plan and barriers to economic growth. So how's the industry related to the government development plan? Vitrox are actually working with some government bodies. They provide the government bodies the advanced technologies which are related to one of their projects, which is Industrial 4.0. This has consequently led the Vitrox to relate with government plans about the computer vision, smart manufacturing solutions that involves AI analytics and etc. At the same time, they have collaborated with some government agencies to really grow Malaysia talents before these students complete their studies, such as MedDet and NCIA. Various platforms have been provided to make students ready before released into the real-life working environment. So, what is the barriers to economic growth? What are the factors and the solutions? One of the factors is the exchange rate of the currency. This is mainly because the main market of Vitrox is to export their products worldwide. It will cause the changes in the price of exported products. This has a direct effect on the profit of exporting the products. For example, the difference of the exchange rate usually reduces the prices of goods and durables, raw materials and capital goods. The next factor is effective tax structure. In every country, there will be taxes applied on every individuals and companies. Taxes should raise revenue of our country, but instead we can use the taxes to redistribute the income and encourage the company that can bring economic growth to our country. A simple tax code will remove the massive economic distortion and it will be better for tax consumption instead of income. The last one is the political instability. This will cause that the country will not be a great place to do business. It is because the owner may not able to protect his or her investment on the company, which will further lead to inability to keep the profit. Malaysia is a multiracial country which causes that different races have their own mindset towards the economy. Although the country politics right now seems stable, it might be corrupt if there is the changing of the government. The proposed solution is by having all the people to unite so that there is no gap between people and further lead to a stable economy.